Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn with Fun, the podcast where English learning is easy and exciting. I'm Lena.
And I'm Ryan. Today's topic is something everyone loves, travel. But we'll make it an English lesson too.
That's right. We're talking about how to plan a trip and learning useful English words along the way.
Okay, step 1. Choose your destination. Where do you want to go? The beach, mountains, or maybe Paris?
Step 2. Decide when to go. Check the weather and prices. Traveling in the off-season can save money.
Step 3. Set your budget. How much can you spend on hotels, food, and tickets?
Step 4. Book your transportation. Plane, train, or car. Plan ahead to get good deals.
Step 5. Find your accommodation. Hotel, hostel, or apartment. Location matters.
Step 6. Plan your activities. Museums, local food, or beaches. But don't plan every minute. Be flexible.
Step 7. Pack smart. Check the weather and don't forget your passport or charger.
And step 8, the best part, enjoy your trip. Take pictures, make memories, and practice your English.
Yes, words like ticket, map, restaurant, and phrases like how much does it cost are super useful.
So travel, learn, and have fun. It's the best way to practice real English.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Fun.
See you next time, and happy travels!